everyone, it's Robin, Artist Island Crafts, and welcome to my studio. I hope you guys have been enjoying your summer so far and that your gardens are growing beautifully. It rained twice here last week. That was quite amazing at night. It did nothing but make a little dust bombs on the ground. We didn't get a lot at my house, at least. I like a really good downpour of a rain that cleans the air. The air is still pretty dusty here because there was a dust storm not that long ago. A few weeks back, I did one of those week in the craft room things where I showed a little bit every day of what I've been working on. And on one of the days, I talked about the fajitas that I was having for lunch. There's a few people that requested to see how I actually cook them. So I made a video of me cooking fajitas for my daughter and I, probably at the beginning of June. Now, since it's a cooking recipe and this is a crafting channel, I went ahead and I put it over on my Patreon channel, but I have it open to the public so anyone can see it. I'll put a link down below in the description box. You can just pop on over to there, and if you want, watch that video. Now, when you go to Patreon, it will bring you back here to YouTube anyway, so you'll be watching it on YouTube. You just need to go there to get the special links so that it's a thing. But you'll be able to watch the video if you want and enjoy a little bit of a relaxing conversation between my daughter and myself now and then, and just to see how I cook fajitas. Now, one of the reasons why we're doing something a little weird this summer here on the channel was so that I can get my books for my business caught up between YouTube and Etsy and Patreon and all of that. I need to make sure I have all of my financials under control. So I have my inventory all set. All my spreadsheets are caught up. I did finish that last night. And I was looking, and I think what I'm going to do in the month of July is each week I'm going to put a section of my Etsy shop on sale. So for the first week of July, it's going to run from probably a Monday through Sunday type situation. So maybe a Friday to something, I don't know. Today's Friday. This is when we're doing it. I will put the dates down below so that you guys know when the sale is over, but I'm going to put my tote bag section on sale for 50% off. Just want to clear out some of the older stock so there's room for fresh things to be noticed as you're floating through the shop. I have a couple ideas for some fun tote bags coming up. So if you've been looking at a couple of them, even the new ones that I just made recently here in Arizona, those will also be on sale for 50% off. I think that's a pretty good deal. Now, not every section will be 50% off, but I really want to clear out some of the older tote bags. I'll make another video and I'll show you some of the items that I have pulled from my Etsy shop. So if there was something you had your eye on and you were just waiting for whatever reason or you forgot about them, I'll do a little short video, show them here to you on the table, and if you're interested in them, I will also be selling them at a discount. I think it's really good to have a big blowout sale once a year or so, just to clear out some of the stock and make room for the new stuff. You guys know I'm constantly creating something, and I'd like to just make some more things and bring more into the shop, and it's always nice to clear things out so that the storage bins that I put them in aren't overflowing, and I don't know, it's just nice to have things cleared out, and everybody loves a sale. Once I finish recording this video, I'm going to go ahead and record a new show and tell of the projects that you have been working on, and that should take care of like the month of June. So if you want to show something from your life, and whether it's crafting or in the garden or something you're cooking or home renovations or just something you saw on the side of the road, maybe you saw a deer running across the road and you got a picture of it and you want to share it. The link for the show and tell items is down below in the description box. You can just go ahead and send me an email. If you have a little description of what you're doing, like I live in Michigan and we saw an alligator in the road, isn't that wild and crazy? Because I don't think you have alligators in Michigan. Can you tell what I've been seeing a lot on Instagram lately? There's been a lot of alligator posts. It's summertime. They like to come out and lay out on the roads to get nice and toasty warm. And then just let me know if you don't want me to share your name or anything like that, but you still want to share your item, you can go ahead and let me know that, and I just won't say your name. I'm just trying to think if there's anything else I wanted to say. It would have been nice to write things down. But why would I do that, right? Why make things easier on myself? But I think that's all the updates we have for now. Our first live stream is on the 6th of July. That's the first Saturday of the month. And it just seems to happen this way now a lot. That's also the Saturday that I need to go pick my daughter up from the airport after the live stream. Normally I drop her off and then do the live stream, so this is a little bit different. I've made a lot of trips to Phoenix this year, and yet I haven't seen hardly anything of Phoenix, just the one road going to the airport. I hear there's a lot of nice things to see in Phoenix. So one day when she comes in at a decent time, flies in, or maybe early in the morning, we'll just do a little day of it and wander around Phoenix and see what else is out there besides the road to the airport. If you're not interested in watching a cooking video, you can go ahead and check out a video here or here. One of them should be the last Whip It Wednesday video, and then the other one is something that YouTube thinks you might want to watch. So your scrappy word for today is summer. Let me know how your summer's been going. Are you working on craft projects, working in the garden, or are you preparing food and getting it ready for the winter time? I know as the fall harvest time comes, when you guys are really picking from your garden, a lot of you do canning and you get everything ready for the winter season. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me and for all of your support. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.